Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am going to show you how to fix some Bluetooth problems on this device. Simply go to settings, tap on the option connection. So here you can see the option Bluetooth. Just tap on this one. Here already enabled this Bluetooth. So first of all, we need to remove all paired devices from here. So here you can see I already are paired with one Bluetooth device. So here I am going to remove this paired device. For this, tap on the settings. At the bottom you can see the option unpair. Tap on unpair. Then after this one you can easily pair your Bluetooth device. Actually, Bluetooth issues like the pairing failure or the audio lag are the common Bluetooth issues. This simple settings can quickly fix the Bluetooth problems on this device. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye-bye.